All right, first thing I'm going to do is just try to finish this background, make it green. I just felt like looking at this painting, I was looking at a wall of yellow. So I'm hoping that changing the background will change the vibe. I can always fix the black later if I go over it, right? You can always go over it. It's pretty much the rule of acrylic. I did this entire painting live. If you would like the links, they are in the description, part 1 and 2. If you want to know how I made this painting, check the description. Man, this mental health thing is a long road, huh? Once you figure out what's going on, and then you have to like deal with it and make changes, you know. Oh, it's hard stuff. The green is done, and now I'm going to switch to this yellowish color. Just going to kind of get it on there and hope for the best. Whoosh, okay, that feels good. And then I'm going to paint the eyes so they start drying. I don't like how I did the eyes here, so I'm redoing them. So finishing a painting. How do you know when a painting is done, right? It's like artist's choice. The artist gets to decide when it's done. Light brown. Let's try. Come on, eyes, you must be better than last time. I have this like just mixed color I made sitting around, and I thought it might be cool for a light brown eye. The last ones were just too small, and it made them look real cross-eyed. So let's see if we can fix the eyes without making it cross-eyed again. Okay. I'm gonna have to clean this up, but I will. I'll just put black over it. All right. Sometimes you gotta talk yourself through the painting and just be like, you got this. It actually took me a long time to figure out how to paint and talk to you all while I was on YouTube. All right. Now we need pupils. Just gotta trust the brush. Trust that the brush will follow my lead. Because what the cool thing is, if I mess up, I can always paint over it, right? I say that all the time. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, I think they were cross-eyed last time. I wonder if I can just clean this up right here. Oh, so close. Fix that, fix that. fix that. Right now I'm just trying to clean all my little black outlines up. Ooh, that was close, huh? Okay. Did I fix everything to my liking? The eyes here, huh? Yes. I'm pleased with how this looks. I signed it before, but now I really feel like it's done. So, thanks for watching me finish this painting. I really appreciate it if you subscribe if you like art. I paint a lot of women's heads. Say hi in the comments. Ask a question about anything you want. I'm using Nova Color paint. I just put it in these things so that I can access it better than the tubs. Okay? So I hope maybe you learned one thing today, or you just liked watching me paint, which is cool. All right. Bye.